All right, what's up, YouTube? A few weeks ago, I picked up this phone from Target for 40 bucks, and we're gonna do a quick unboxing video of it. And it's not gonna be a performance review, but we're just gonna see how this phone is straight out the box. So this is the Moto G Play 2024. We have a 6.5-inch display, 90 hertz refresh screen rate, 50 megapixel camera, nice battery, and Android 14. So let's get this started. Pull that tab off. And let's see what we have in here. Straight out the box. If I can get it out. So, oops. Let's get this out. Let's put the phone down right here and see what we have in here. So we have a charging block, cable, and there's a SIM card in here, I believe. Yeah. So, all right, here we go. So let's slide this out. And the phone looks pretty nice, pretty crispy. And look at that. So let's power this thing on. See if it has juice straight out the box. And it does. So I'm an iPhone guy, but you know, this has a pretty nice feel in the hand. For 40 bucks, it feels pretty premium, I'm not gonna lie. I can't wait to see how the screen is, like the refresh rate, and I want to see how the camera is. All right, so let's do start. So we're gonna try to quickly do this so we can get to the main. So let's set this up offline. Continue. Nope. Nope. Accept. Nope. Turn all of this off. We'll skip that. Skip that. Nope. Nope. All right, that was quick. We are in the main menu for the phone. So do maybe later. And man, I'm impressed. For 40 bucks, this is a pretty nice phone. We're not going to do a whole performance review, but we're just doing a quick unboxing and just overall feel and look of the phone. We have a headphone jack up there, really cool. Our SIM card tray is up there. Our volume and power on the side. We have a USB port and a speaker at the bottom. We have those nice 50 megapixel camera in the back. So let's check that out. Let's go to the camera. Don't allow. Video. Well, that doesn't look as good as I think it would, but let's see if we can go to our settings for the camera. Huh. Probably have to go find out if it can do 4K at 60 FPS, but man, this is a nice phone. For 40 bucks, I'm sure this would, meet anyone's needs, to be honest. With Android 14, the 90 hertz screen refresh rate, it probably can take some really good photographs and everything. I'm probably not going to set this up for myself, but I just bought this phone to do this review. But I'm impressed how, high quality and premium this phone feels for only 40 bucks. So I'm gonna end this video now. I'm probably gonna do another video about the performance and specifications for the phone. But for now, this was just a quick unboxing and first look at the phone. Let me know if you guys are using this device and what you like and don't like about it, and if you think it's worth getting in 2025. So let's put that down. Take a look at the box again. Pretty cool. All right, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.